This is a Learning Commons instructional video. This video will give you a look at the EBSCO Ebook collection. To find the ebook collection, navigate to the library's webpage. On the left, you'll see all the options of the libraries for different links. Click on the ebook collection link, and this will automatically bring to the EBSCO page. Now, one of the first things you're going to need to do is to create an account. So go to the top and click on Sign In. And once you're here, you can click on Create New Account. Now you just need to type in all your information. This is completely free to do. Just type in everything and then click Save Changes. The next step you're going to need to do is to download Adobe Digital Editions. This will allow you to view your ebook offline. So go to the Adobe page and just click on their products, and then go down to Digital Editions. And now you can go ahead and click Launch, and this will launch the download and you can install it onto your computer. Also, while you're on the Adobe page, you need to create an Adobe ID. Now this is completely free to do. So just go ahead and click on Create an Adobe ID. You fill in your information and you just hit Submit. Once you have the program downloaded and your Adobe ID created, you can go back to the EBSCO page. And once you're here, go ahead and sign in now with your new EBSCO ID. So now you can go ahead and you can browse through all the different ebooks. At the top there's a basic search bar. You can type in keyword or phrase and you can look for books this way. And you can scroll through them. Otherwise, the other option is to go from the main page over on the left hand side. There's a bunch of categories. The books are already organized into different subjects and categories for you. This is another way to search for all the items. Now if you look at the individual books, they have an option to view the text online on your computer here. This gives you the full text and you can view it only on the computer. You can't take it with you and it's not checked out or anything like that. Now if you're viewing a book online and you close it, it's not available for another 15 minutes to reopen again. So if you close it, make sure you're actually done with it. Now if you don't want to view it online, you can download the book, which is why you had to download the Adobe Digital Editions. So from the record page, if you just click on Download, this will let you view the book offline. You can check it out between 1 to 7 days. After that point, it'll automatically erase itself from your computer. Now when you need to select Open, make sure you have Adobe Digital Editions selected and hit OK. The book will download and then it'll automatically open in your Adobe Digital Editions. Now if you don't want to view it on your computer, there is an option to view it on mobile devices, Android based, and we're going to go into cover that now. View your ebook on a mobile device. You have to use a different application called TradeBit. So first, let's do downloading the application. So pop onto the Android market, search for an application called TradeBit, and then go ahead and download and install that. Now once you have it installed, you have to add your Adobe ID that you created to the application. So launch the TradeBit ebook reader. Go to the Settings tab and then click on Adobe ID Activation. Now once the screen opens, you put in your Adobe ID and password that you created on the Adobe webpage, and then click on Activate Device. If everything works correctly, it'll say device activated successfully. Now you need to go ahead and transfer your downloaded ebook onto your mobile device. Now I'm using an Android cell phone, so I'll show you how to do that one. To transfer your ebook onto your device, you need to go into My Documents, Digital Editions, and copy the title of the book. Then you need to open your mobile device and open the folder Digital Editions, and then right-click and paste a copy into there. Now the last step is going to be viewing your ebook on your mobile device. Now once you launch the TradeBit application, you're going to see your book right on your list of ebooks available to read. Go ahead and click on the title, and then it launches right there on your screen. You can go ahead and you can search through the text for keywords. You can add notations to find stuff again easier, and you can just scroll through by touching the screen. It works really, really cool. For more tutorial videos, please visit us at our screencast page, www.screencast.com/users/learning commons. And if you have any other questions, please stop in to the LRC or ETC.